We're the Aglets. We're the little plastic tips on your shoelaces. We're here to help you tie your shoes. Grab your Aglets, nice and slow, to the top hole. Here we go. Poke them in. Now they're right. Getting ready. Nice and tight. Aglets to the rescue. Hip, hip, hooray. Make two bunny ears. Now we're on our way. Cross them over. Pull them through. Tug them nice and tight. You tied your shoe. Two soft loops. Standing tall. Cross them over. That's not all. Through the middle. Give a pull. Now your bow looks wonderful. Aglets to the rescue. You know what to do. Two bunny ears just for you. Cross them over. Pull them through. Give a little tug. You tied your shoe.